Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on a Lincoln MKZ with its key. First, find the small release button on your key fob and slide out the hidden metal key. Next, insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock cylinder, usually found behind a small cover. Turn the key to unlock the door manually. This method is essential if your fob battery is dead or the car battery is low, ensuring you can always access your vehicle. Once inside your Lincoln MKZ, close the door firmly. Now, look for the backup key slot, which is typically located in the center console or sometimes near the steering column. Carefully place your entire key fob into this designated slot. This special slot allows your vehicle to detect the key fob signal, even if its internal battery is completely drained, preparing it for ignition. With the key fob securely in its backup slot, ensure your vehicle's transmission is in park or neutral. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. While holding the brake, press the engine start/stop button once. The car's system will now recognize the key fob even without battery power, and the engine should successfully start, allowing you to drive. Remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as you notice it's low to avoid needing this manual starting method. It's also wise to keep a spare key fob in a safe, accessible location. This emergency start procedure is designed for situations where your fob battery is dead, not for regular use. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.